Ready to unlock a world of cheesy gordita crunches and Baja Blasts with your Taco Bell gift card? First, let's talk about using it in-store. Simply browse that delicious menu, make your selections, and head to the counter to place your order. When it's time to pay, present your Taco Bell gift card to the cashier. They'll scan it, and the amount will be deducted from your total. If your order exceeds the gift card balance, you can easily cover the remaining amount with cash, credit, or another payment method. Now, for the ultimate convenience, let's add that gift card to your Taco Bell app. Open the app and navigate to the payment section, often found in settings or your profile. Look for an option like Add a gift card or Manage gift cards. Here, you'll enter the gift card number and the PIN, which is usually located on the back of the card and may require scratching off a protective layer. Once added, your gift card will be saved as a payment method in the app. Now, when you're placing a mobile order, simply select your gift card as your payment option at checkout. Enjoy the ease of ordering ahead and skipping the line. So, whether you prefer the classic in-store experience or the speed of mobile ordering, your Taco Bell gift card is your ticket to taco heaven. Now go treat yourself, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty tips and tricks.